In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Msvcp140 dll missing error on your Windows 11. So let's get started. So open any browser that you have on your Windows, and I'm just going to share the download link from the video description so that you can go directly into this website. Now here you'll find the download links, so make sure to know the architecture or the system tab of your Windows. And how you can know that, go to the Windows search bar and type system information, click on it. So here you'll find the system type, so I am a 64-bit, and then I'm going to click the download link that corresponds to the architecture of my Windows. Okay, so click on the folder icon. And then double click on the setup file. Click on. So in my case, this is already installed, so I'm just going to click on repair. So here, we need to reboot our system first, but in your case, just simply click on the repair button if it is already installed. But if not, just simply click on the install button and then click on the restart button, okay? And see if that helped you fix the issue. The second thing that we can do is to perform the system file checker scan. So go to the Windows search bar and type CMD. Click the option Run as Administrator in the right pane. Now type here SFC space / scan now. SFC space / scan now and hit enter. The system scan will begin, so simply wait for the process to be 100% completed. So once this is completed and the process has been successful, just simply type exit in the command prompt window and then right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. For the next method, we also need to make sure that our Windows operating system is updated. So for that, click on the start button and go to settings. Now from the list of options on the left pane, click on Windows Update. And simply click this button right here to check for updates or to download the latest updates for your Windows. So simply click on that button. And just try again after doing so. Then if all else fails, we can perform a system restore. So go to the Windows search bar, type RSTRUI. Click on it under the best match. Then click on choose a different restore point. Click on next. Choose the date as to where you're not facing the error. Okay, choose the date as to where you're not facing the error. Click the date and time from here and click on next and then click on finish. And then just simply click on the yes button so that the system restore process will continue. Okay, so that's it. Just simply wait for the process. And I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.